In this video, I wanted to give you a brief overview on places to launch your boat at Bass Lake in Northern California. Zooming in here on Google Maps is just north of Fresno and straight east of San Jose. It's in Madera County, right outside the Sierra National Forest. So here's Bass Lake right here. Let's go satellite view. So here's the Pines Resort, awesome resort. They have a boat launch and marina there you can launch from, which is right here. Right next to Ducey's on the Lake and Ducey's Bar and Grill. So if you're not staying at the Pines and you're staying in Oakhurst, what you'll most likely do is take Crane Valley Road, make a right down South Shore Road. Then you'll be hugging the south side of the lake and heading southeast around Rocky Point Picnic Site, Miller's Landing, over to Wishin Boat Launch. So this is a public boat launch, and that's where it's located, right next to the dam on the southeast side of the lake. They've got 2 ramps. If you're going to take your boat out onto Bass Lake, you're going to need to purchase a pollution control permit. Pollution control permits can be purchased at one of the 3 marinas on Bass Lake Boat Rentals, Miller's Landing, and Forks Resort. Lastly, we'll zoom in on the street view. So if you're coming in from Oakhurst, it's going to look like this on South Shore Road. You'll be traveling south, and just look out for the signs here, and you'll make a left right into Wishin Public Boat Launch.
Yeah, dude. It's impossible to get there without the ladder. You're gonna try. Oh, look at these 2 fighting. You think I can backflip off the boat if I've never done one in my life?
No.
These ones right here. See the green one? Toss it over to them.
Thank you.
Here it goes.